Hi, this is Terry from Rock Solid Technical Services. I'm going to give you a quick demonstration of how to use the map features in vCenter 4 as well as the maps tabs throughout the vCenter client software. From the home screen, under Management, click on Maps. This will bring up a view with the map in the right hand pane, and on the left has your vCenter server, which you can expand to get your data centers, and expand to get clusters and hosts and virtual machines. In the right hand pane there's also map relationships. Here under the host options and VM options you can put check marks to view the relationships that you want to view. You clear all of those, select just one and hit refresh in the upper right. It changes the views of the maps, such as adding host to data store relationships along with the host to network. You can see how it expands the views and shows the relationships between them. Add host to virtual machine. Under VM options you can also add the fault tolerance relationships, VM to network and VM to data store. You can also select to only show the powered on VMs. You can change host resources, virtual machine resources, data store resources to get the different views of the maps, and custom. There's also the overview. If you put your cursor within the gray box in the overview, you can move the view around in case it's too big to see, which when you zoom in you can't see all of it, and you can move that view around. And you can zoom out. Another way to see the maps is when you go back to your hosts and clusters and your inventory. There'll be maps tabs on each of these items, such as when you go to the ESX server itself. In the left hand pane there's a maps tab in the right hand pane. This will allow you to see a map of that particular ESX server, and again you've got the options of selecting the resources or the relationships in the right hand pane with the checkboxes. You can also highlight the virtual machines. They also have Maps tab. This is going to show the relationships between the virtual machine and the network and its hosts and the data store. You can select cluster level and also get a map from the Maps tab, as well as the data center level has a Maps tab. As you can see, all except the virtual machine maps tabs have the relationship checkboxes. The virtual machine only has the overview. Maps are fairly simple. Easiest way to get to all of them again is through Home and Maps under Management. Thank you for watching.